Hi YouTubers, it is Dave here from the Geeky Bricks channel and indeed the Webs channel. So hopefully you would have seen my unboxing of this, as in get it out of the shipping box, if that makes sense. I wanted to do a little bit of a surprise video, but anyway, you will see from the title, but this is the actual unboxing of the DJI MAVIC Pro and indeed the other accessories that I got with it. This here is a Fly More combo for MAVIC Pro. Obviously we have the MAVIC Pro there, and in here is the DJI shoulder bag for the MAVIC Pro. So we're going to leave the MAVIC Pro until the end. First things first, we will get open the shoulder bag. He says, now these are just packaged so well, I have to say. So, void if damaged, so it's now void. Okay. So, get the box out of the way. And we have got, we can actually get the packaging opened up. There we have, and this just gives you the idea of the size of the MAVIC. I mean, that's it. That's what it fits in. It's tiny, it's unbelievable. Now I've actually got my hands on it, this is just unreal. So that is the bag that comes with, you have to come here Ethan, I've got Ethan with me. This is the bag that comes with the DJI MAVIC Pro. Unbelievable. What do you think?
That's leather as well. How much?
It's not leather.
Wait, look, it feels leather to me.
No, it's not leather. No, it's definitely not leather Ethan. You can smell it if it was leather. I'm not sure what material it is, it's got a kind of a flux leather look to it, but it's quality, don't get me wrong. But anyway, so that's what's in there first off. Obviously pouches on it galore. I mean galore, we've got a zip there at the front, pouch there at the front, shoulder straps, pouches there, something on the back, a carry handle anyway. So, let's put that there. Next thing is we have the combo. If you could see a silly hand down there, that's my youngest son by the way, who's being particularly naughty. But anyway, so this is the Fly More combo. So again, let's break the seal and see what we get in here. Got the accessories. So this was an accessory I obviously didn't buy just the MAVIC Pro. I bought it as a deal, a combo deal. So first thing that's really nicely packaged, I have to say. I'll just put that back in there. Hopefully you can see that, how that comes. So first thing up here we have a battery charging hub. I believe we can charge 4 batteries on there at the same time. We have got a car charger, so when we're out and about we can recharge the batteries via the car, which is awesome. Next we have a battery, of course, a spare battery, the Intelligent Flight battery. So hopefully, well, there'll be a battery in there with the MAVIC Pro, so I've got a spare battery already. And we have, what else is this? Oh, another one. Oh, perhaps it's not in there then. Yeah, I'm assuming it's not in that box then. So another flight battery. So that makes 2, clearly. And we have got battery to power bank adapter. Can't remember what that is exactly. Battery to power bank adapter. What was that? Can't remember, but there was something so that you could plug it into this and charge like your iPhone and stuff. It could be that. And finally, we have got a set of spare propellers. There's 2 boxes. I'm assuming there's 1 propeller in each box. I'm assuming. Anyway, yeah, I'm assuming there's 1 propeller in each of those 2 boxes. So there's all the accessories that come in that box, and again, fantastically packaged, I have to say. Let's leave that up there. So let's put all those accessories over there to one side, and then the main event. The main event that is the DJI MAVIC Pro. So let's break the seal. This is it, guys. I have been waiting for so long to get my hands on this, since the minute I saw, oh my god.
It's tiny! tiny!
As Ethan is saying, it is tiny. Look at how well presented that is. I'm just going to bring it across here. So
absolutely tiny.
there's the box. I'll open the box up. Hopefully I won't drop any of this.
Too tiny.
So there we can see the Mavic Pro and the remote control, and I'm assuming there's a plug-in, etc. in there. But look at that.
It's too small for a drone.
It's wicked.
It's not true. It's too small for a drone.
Not true. Yeah, I know. So very quickly going to get this out.
Oh, obviously.
Oh my god, this thing is incredible.
Seriously, it's absolutely tiny.
It's incredible. So here we go. This is the Mavic Pro itself. Look at it. Look at the size of it in my hand there. Ethan, come next to it. There we are, next to Ethan. That's an 8-year-old boy.
It's as big as my face.
It's unbelievable. You want to hold it for a minute?
Oh,
Okay, what else we have in here is
quite heavy as well.
the equally impressive charger, remote control for the Mavic Pro. Like I said, equally as impressive.
Fellas. It's nicely folded up as well. I like how it folds.
And what else we got in here? So we have got the cables, 3-pin plug for here in the UK, and a mini USB cable.
Oh, that's going to be so easy.
There we go, 3-pin mini USB.
It's going to be so easier than the
We have got
DJI Phantom 4 controller.
paperwork and instructions in here by the looks of it. Yeah, quick start guide in the box, DJI Care, so warranty, etc. in there. We have got the power bank, so what the 3-pin plug plugs into.
Unbelievable!
You can see there's the power bank. So the 3-pin plug plugs into that.
Just look at that controller.
Charge.
Look how small it is.
And this is fantastic. I mean, the packaging in here, which you can't really see, is just fantastic. It really is. Oh, these are cool. So these are obviously spare blades in here, and they come in these lovely little pouches. Admittedly, the Phantom 4 comes in a bigger pouch, but these are individually packed. They must be. And there's 2. So there's 2 in there. There's another one in there. Just get it out. So you can see. So yeah, there's 2. There's another one in there. I'm not going to get it all the way out. You can see that.
There's 4.
So yes, 2 and 2. Ethan's right. There's 4. And they fold out like that. So 2 in that one and 2 in that pouch. So 4 spare propellers. I'm saying spare. They're not spare because the top ones aren't on it. So it comes packaged with 2 on the bottom, but they're not on the top one there. So 2 on there, so there's 2 spares that come with it. But bearing in mind, as I got the combo, remember there's 2 spares there as well. But that is all that's inside this box. There's no battery in there. It's already on it, of course. So that's fantastic, because I thought there was only 1 battery. So I've actually got 3 batteries. So I'm well impressed with that. 3 batteries.
Good boy.
But that's it. That's it for this unboxing. I'm just going to tidy this lot up and we will be right back. Okay, as you can see it's all there, but before that there was 2 other bits that I missed that were in there. They are 2 separate cables, and I know these are for the remote control. Can't quite see. One of them looks like a mini USB, and the other one, well, it could be a micro.
Let me see it.
Let's see, are they the same size or are they different? That's in there. I think one might be a micro, one might be a mini USB, and it would say to a. Anyway, so 2 cables. Let's say you can use different Android and iPhones. I think the one that's going to be in here already is an lightning cable for the iPhone. But anyway, guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this unboxing of this. What is it's just truly awesome. I cannot get over the size of this thing. So DJI, my God, a huge thumbs up for what you've managed to create here with this drone, the Mavic Pro. And obviously underneath here is the camera underneath there. But yeah, like I said, massive thumbs up to DJI for what they have achieved here. Yeah, no, I've seen this. Put them back down underneath them. Come on, away the shot. Anyway, guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this unboxing and a bit of an overview. I haven't unboxed every single product here that came with it. The main thing was to get the the main item out, which is the MAVIC Pro itself, and obviously the controller, but you see all the other accessories that come with this Fly More combo. So if you are on the lookout for a set like this that comes with all these additional accessories, head over to DJI. I bought it directly from DJI. Like I said, hopefully if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up please. If you haven't subscribed to my channels, Geeky Bricks and the web channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comments, questions, feedback, leave down in the comments section. I will do some flying, so you'll see some footage from this, more than likely on my web channel. I may put it on my Geeky Bricks channel, I'm not entirely sure yet, because that is supposed to be Lego related. Let me know what you think down in the description. Would you mind seeing some of this footage on my Geeky Bricks channel? Anyway, that just leaves us to say, we look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye for now, everyone. Bye. Bye. Where are we? Bye. Bye, everyone. See you soon.